Our principles also remain the same, keeping learners at the heart of everything we do. Our framework still has 5 inspection areas. 1. Learning. 2. Well-being and attitudes to learning. 3. Teaching and learning experiences. 4. Care, support and guidance. 5. Leadership and management. We start with priorities for improvement, talking about what has been working well and what you are aiming to improve. It's not all about paperwork. We want to focus on the improvement process. The notice period for inspections will be reduced from 15 working days to 10. The inspection report will not include summative grades, but instead there will be greater detail on strengths and areas for improvement to support stronger evaluation and promote improvement. There'll still be an overview and recommendations. We'll look at all aspects but report only on your key strengths and what you can do better. There will be no changes to the role of the nominee, peer inspectors or lay inspectors, the way we identify and share effective and innovative practice, statutory follow-up, significant improvement and special measures or Estyn review. Watch our other animation to see how we aim to make the inspection a positive experience.